Add density curve on the histogram. I am able to make histogram in Python, but I am unable to add density curve. I see many code which are using different ways to add density curve on histogram, but I am not sure how to get on my code. I have added density equals true, but not able to get density curve on histogram.
Here is an approach using distplot method of seaborn, also mentioned in the comments. However, distplot will be removed in a future version of seaborn. Therefore, alternatives are to use histplot and distplot. sns.histplot. sns.distplot.
Pandas also has plot. Output.
If you want